In this video, we're going to show you how to install the driver's side door applique or trim molding on your Cadillac Escalade, located right here on the back side of your front door. I'm going to open up the driver's door, and on the inside right here, you're going to find a T15 Torx bit screw. Let's go ahead and loosen and remove that. Go ahead and set that aside. Once you remove that screw, you should be able to go ahead and lift up on this molding. We're going to use a plastic trim tool. Get up underneath. I'm going to lift this up and pop that up a little bit. We just want to have a little bit of room on the back side here to go ahead and pull this trim. There's a rubber seal around the front side. I'm going to go in right behind that with a trim tool and work outward. There are plastic pins locking this in place. Now this side here wraps around the back side of the door. It's a C channel. So you need to pop the clips out here. There's one on the bottom, one in the middle, and then one up top here. Get your finger behind here. Make sure that your molding is not restricting this. So make sure that is loose and free. Now there's a little locking tab on the back that's held on with some factory glue. This is the component here we need to pop off. And grab this unit here. What we're going to do is unthread this. If it doesn't want to unthread, we can always undo the little tabs here that are locking it on. Just going to work those tabs out a little bit just to loosen that. Now on the bottom here, our plastic clip had popped out nice and easy. This top one here had broken, so we're just going to use a pair of cutters. And you gently want to get underneath. You want to grab this, and we're just going to basically take it apart. Do this carefully. You don't want to damage the paint or anything on the vehicle. There we go. On the upper portion, there was some adhesive strip that left some remnants, so we need to clean all of this off. With all that gone, let's go ahead and use some solvent. I'm just going to give this a quick cleaning. Now installing this component, the C channel is right here, and that is the side that is going to lock onto this here. Do not install this flush on the top. This molding will stick out. So the first thing you want to do, take this here and peel this off. That exposes an adhesive strip, just like the one we removed from the door before. This pin and this pin line up on these two holes in the door. And this grommet up here will snap on to this post up top. Pull out the molding on the bottom so you can get this in. Go ahead and line this up. Now you can use a light to look on the inside edge here and make sure that those posts are lined up. Now once you've made sure that the pins line up, gently push in. Press everything into place. Install your molding down below. Make sure this is pressed down all the way. Let's go ahead and install that screw on the other side. And snug that down. Once you feel that screw bottom, get a little bit more. You just want to make sure that it's snug. It doesn't have to be super, super tight, just snug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.